Hello children, how are you? I hope everyone has started studying. Yes, in my previous videos I had given you some work. We'll talk about it later. First I'll introduce myself. This is Clara Singh from Carmen Residential Day School. We'll be teaching you English literature. So children, I had asked you that if you have seen my previous video, I have started giving you some work. Earlier I had given you hard words, word meanings, fill in the blanks, and for homework I had given you make sentences. I hope everyone has started doing their work in the notebook. Today here I will be giving you question answers. I hope everyone has got their books. If not, parents, please contact Mr. Arora. So hold your pencils and your erasers and we will write down the answers. Open to page number 8. First question is, what was heard at the castle gate? So, who knows the answer? A knock was heard at the castle gate. Everyone will start writing the answer. I will repeat the answer. A knock was heard at the castle gate. Now come to question number 2. Who did the prince want to marry? Question is, who did the prince want to marry? The answer is, the prince wanted to marry a princess. Yes, the prince wanted to marry a princess. I hope everyone has started writing. Now let us come to question number 3. What did the king's guard see when he opened the castle gate? The answer is, the king's guard saw a princess when he opened the castle gate. What did he saw? He saw a princess when he opened the castle gate. You can note it down. If you have missed out, you can pause the video and you can write down the answer. Now let us come to page number 9. How did the princess get onto her bed? Question is, how did the princess get onto her bed? And the answer is, the princess climbed the ladder to get onto her bed. How did she climb the bed? She had climbed the ladder. So the answer will be, the princess climbed the ladder to get onto her bed. If you have missed out, you can re-watch the video. Question number 5. What kind of a night did the princess have? Question is, what kind of a night did the princess have? And the answer is, the princess had a horrible night. The princess had a horrible night. Please write down neatly and clearly. Now we have matched the following on the same page number 9. Let us match the following. First one is a terrible storm. So what will be the right answer? A terrible storm arose. So you will write down C. Alphabet C. Second, surprised. To learn. That is E. A knock. Number 3, a knock. A is the answer, was heard. A knock was heard. 4th, used a ladder. Used a ladder. The answer is to climb. That is B. Used a ladder to climb. The answer is B. There was thunder and lightning. So answer will be D. There was thunder and lightning. So I'm giving you a few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes to copy down the answer. First is C, second is E, third is A, fourth is B, fifth is D. I hope everyone has written. Good. Now let us come to page number 10. Who said these words to whom? Here you have to write down the names to whom this line has been said. In Hindi when we say किसने किसको बोला, we will soon find out if she is a real princess. Anyone wants to tell the answer? Think of the answer. We will soon find out if she is a real princess. The answer is the Queen Mother told to herself. She said it to herself that she will find out if she is a real princess. Second, oh dear me, very badly. Now who has said these words? Yes, you are correct. The answer is the princess said to Queen Mother. Who said? The princess said to Queen Mother. Third, how did you sleep, dear? Who has said this sentence? The answer is the Queen Mother asked the princess. The Queen Mother asked the princess because she is asking the princess how did she sleep. Did she sleep nicely? Yes or no? No. Right. Why? Because of the P. The P was underneath the mattress? Yes. Children, I want your writing should be neat and clean. Now we have another 2 long questions on page number 11. How did the Queen Mother know that the girl was a real princess? So the answer is when the girl told that she couldn't sleep the whole night, that is how Queen Mother knew she was a real princess. When the girl told that she couldn't sleep the whole night, that is how Queen Mother knew she was a real princess. I hope everyone is writing. If not, someone has missed out, you can rewind it or you can watch this video again. Now the second question is, what was the weather like that evening? The answer is there was a terrible storm, thunder and lightning, and the rain poured down in torrents that evening. So there was thundering and lightning and there was heavy rain which did not stop. So the correct answer is there was a terrible storm, thunder and lightning, and the rain poured down in torrents that evening. Please write it down, the answers. So children, I hope everyone has noted down all the answers. If you have missed out, you can watch the video again. Till now, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.